This is definitely the choice way to view fireworks, let me tell you.
Oh my god, no kidding.
He's sitting on a blanket,
Oh my god.
getting eaten by sand fleas somewhere. Stung by mosquitoes.
Look at this. This was so well worth it. Oh my god.
I know, they're so close. It's like unreal, isn't it?
I know. It's like you could reach out and touch it.
I don't know about that.
Leave me in my fantasy world.
Alright. Go back to your happy place.
Oh my god, this is perfect. Whoa. They look like stars.
There we go.
Wow.
There we go.
This is, oh my god, this is amazing. Wow. Oh my god.
How's it going?
I love those. Oh, that's good. No, look at that. Oh, wow. That's cool.
I felt that in my chest.
Rub it in there.
Oh, I love them. It looks like water shooting out.
Still more. How long does it last? Like 15 minutes?
That's pretty.
That's like a heart. Look at how
Look at there's a plane up there too. How cool must that be? Oh, that's cool. Oh my god. Wow. Dog's like, get me the hell out of here.
Looks like anti-aircraft artillery. Really does. Looks like a bunch of crazies coming up out of nowhere.
I know.
Who's in that building?
Oh.
Alright, let's clear the area. Well, no. It's a noisy dog. Alright, here we go. Yes, hold me tighter. I need more support.
Oh, that's pretty.
Hey, you're holding me off till tight somewhere.
Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow, that was cool. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that.
That was the biggest one.
Oh, that's pretty.
Ew.
That means the finale isn't even.
I can't even imagine what the finale is going to be like.
You can't even imagine how how my numbers, how numb my arms are.
You want me to hold it?
No, well, not in public.
Always thinking.
Yeah, with my little head.
Yeah.
That's why I keep you around. Ooh, look at that.
Wow. Oh, wow. Whoever's putting this on did a hell of a job.
This thing compared to the one we went to in Derry, that was a joke.
We thought we missed it and hadn't even started. Such a good idea, though.
Air protection, yeah.
Yeah. Because it likes watching it.
It's like, what's that?
The baby's more interested in the people. Look at that.
I'm sorry, I have no candy for you. Well done.
Oh my God, that was the most spectacular one I've ever seen.
That was better than the Boston Common.
No kidding.
Everything about it.
All right, how far back?
All right, let's
did
get
you
out of
come
here.
from?
Well, before we get run over.